Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up your Instagram account. First open your Instagram. After the open your Instagram, then go to your profile. This button is a profile icon, the right bottom. Then tap your DP or profile image. Then tap add profile photo. And next step is, if you import from your Facebook, then bottom option is import Facebook. If you choose your gallery, phone gallery, then tap new photo, profile photo, and select the photo you want to choose for display picture or profile. I'm choosing this, and then tap this arrow button is the top right. After the choosing the picture, then effects or filter from Instagram. If you additional editing, then tap edit, and adjustment, brightness, contrast, or other options you want to choose or use. Then after the select options, then tap next. Now finally your DP is updated. And second option is, go to your profile and tap edit profile and type your bios and describe yourself in this box, and then type your bios, click OK. The last option is, you type your website or social platform, enter your social website or another accounts. After the add your social media accounts, then OK. Now your profile is ready for more followers.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.